How to fix iPhone Wi-Fi and Bluetooth grayed out. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the foremost fix for this issue is you can go ahead and try to restart your iPhone, as restarting the iPhone helps in fixing majority of minor bugs on your iPhone, and sometimes the grayed out toggles fix themselves after a restart. See if it is fixed or not, and if not, then open settings on your device and tap on the battery option, and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for low power mode. See if the toggle buttons are active, and if not, then in settings again, tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone, and then on reset and then on reset network settings. Enter your passcode and confirm, and with this your iPhone will take a restart. Now, check if the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth buttons are back to normal. If not, then go back to general and then tap on the software update option. Make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update your iPhone, as Apple often patches these bugs in later versions. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then if your iPhone is too hot, then Wi-Fi and Bluetooth may temporarily be disabled for safety. So let your iPhone cool down if your iPhone is overheated. Also, make sure you are not connected to any type of VPN services, and if yes, then disable the VPN for the time being. And if your issue is still not fixed, then go ahead and open settings again and tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap on reset, and this time tap on the reset all settings option you see there. Enter your passcode and confirm, and this will reset system settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, wallpaper, etc., and keep your data safe. See if that fixes your issue or not, and if not, then you will have to force restart your iPhone. So go ahead and force restart your iPhone by quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, and then pressing and releasing the volume down button, and finally pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.